In your Blackboard course, you're going to want to add the course reserves connection. It's quite simple. You will find the course reserves tool link on your left-hand menu. Click that. This will launch the course reserves. You just need to choose the semester, Spring 2021, and click Create Course. That will bring you into the Aries course reserves, and you can see your menu options here. We can move in content from previous semesters once you've taken this step, so you can just let us know that you have made the connection. If you want to add new items, just click Add Reserve Items, and it gives you a number of choices of the type of content that you would like to add, and you can just follow the instructions there.